This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Power down the Ps4 and go to Settings Applications Save Data Management. Copy Rocket League saved data to a USB drive or upload it to PS Plus cloud storage so you have a fallback. Do this now because deleting or restoring can overwrite the only copy. Make sure you are signed into the same PSN account that created the save, otherwise restores and trophies won't match. Once done, you're ready to remove the corrupted local file safely. Now remove the corrupted local file. Setting System Storage Management, Save Data Rocket League, then delete the problematic save. After deletion, copy the saved file from your USB or download the cloud version using Application Save Data Management. Make sure to select the correct save slot and choose Replace only when you've confirmed the backup. If Rocket League still crashes or the save won't apply, restart into safe mode and run Rebuild Database to clear index errors and allow the Ps4 to reindex files. You finish by launching Rocket League and verifying your progress is intact. Play briefly to force the save to write. Then sync trophies and re-upload the working save to the PS Plus cloud or copy it back to your USB so you have multiple recovery points. If the restored save still fails to work, try reinstalling the game first. If problems persist, rebuild database again or initialize the Ps4 as a last resort, only after backing up everything. Troubleshooting tip: if save won't restore,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.